What if your personal AI, the one you chat with daily, could actually reach into your most private notes,
Mm.
sift through your project files, maybe even instantly generate custom visuals for you?
Yeah.
What if it had access to your entire digital office?
We're talking about more than just convenience here. This is a really monumental shift.
Right.
Imagine transforming a simple chatbot into, well, a tireless, fully autonomous project manager.
Wow.
One that not only understands your workflow, but actually anticipates it.
Okay.
And the truly incredible part, this isn't some distant future thing.
Mm.
You can actually start building this capability today.
Welcome, everyone, to this deep dive. Our mission today is exploring how to truly unlock that latent power within AI by connecting it directly to your personal tools. We've pulled together some fascinating material that shows a clear path, really, to turn a standard AI, maybe like Claude, into a powerful autonomous agent.
Custom tailored just for you. And yeah, we're not just going to talk concepts. We'll actually, guide you through the journey.
Okay,
We'll start by cutting through some of that confusing jargon you always hear.
good.
Then we'll guide you through setting up this personalized AI workspace, kind of step by step, conceptually. We'll show you how to connect crucial tools. Think Notion for memory, Glif for creative hands.
Right, the practical parts.
We'll even build intelligent workflows and establish what we're calling your own AI CEO.
AI CEO, I like that.
And, we'll wrap up with real-world examples and common fixes, because building the future, honestly, it can sometimes be a bit janky.
Laugh softly.
Yeah, I appreciate the honesty there. So let's unpack this. When you use an AI like Claude now, it feels powerful.
Undeniably.
You ask something complex, it gives a brilliant answer.
Done.
The conversation just kind of ends. It's operating in isolation.
That's it. That's the core problem. It's like having the world's smartest person, a true genius.
They're locked in a room.
Yeah.
Exactly. Confined within a locked room. They can only work with the info you slide under the door. So the transformative idea here is giving that brilliant mind a full set of keys.
Okay.
Keys to your entire digital office. Your notes, project files, even custom creative tools.
Right.
I mean, look at Perplexity. They built a billion-dollar business, basically, on giving an AI just one external tool.
Just internet search, wasn't it?
Just internet search. Before answering a query, that single connection created immense value.
Yeah.
Now, imagine giving your AI not just one tool, but a whole personalized toolbox. Imagine it accessing your Notion workspace, grasping your unique style, your project history.
Your actual thought process.
Yes, or custom visual workflows generating graphics in seconds.
Okay.
Databases with your best ideas so it generates content in your voice.
Wow.
This is the world of AI agents with tools. It's like moving from a simple chatbot to having, a team of brilliant, infinitely fast digital interns who know you personally.
That whole toolbox analogy really helps. For listeners maybe just starting out, how would you boil this down? What's the fundamental shift here?
It's changing a simple chatbot into an autonomous multitasking agent.
Okay. Now, before we get too deep into the how-to, let's touch on those intimidating terms like MCP Model Context Protocol. These buzzwords can make it sound way more complex than it needs to be.
They really can.
MCP sounds heavy, but it's really just the framework, right? The thing that lets the AI understand context and use tools.
Exactly. Let's just strip it down. What we're really talking about is giving AI access to external tools
Okay.
and letting it use them in a loop over and over until a goal is achieved.
A loop.
Yeah, think of it like this. A regular AI chat, one-step interaction. You input 2 plus 2, it outputs 4.
Right, like a calculator.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It can't then decide on its own to use that 4 for something else. An AI agent, though, is totally different. You give it a goal and it says, okay, first I need tool A. Uses tool A, checks the result, maybe says, okay, now tool B.
So it plans and executes.
Yes. It keeps selecting tools, iterating, looping until the task is done. This looping ability, that's the fundamental difference.
But it's the game changer.
It turns the AI from that simple calculator into a tireless project manager.
That looping sounds powerful. How does that fundamentally change what AI can do for us?
It allows AI to execute complex multi-step plans tirelessly.
Going through the setup material, one phrase jumped out. A bit janky. Yeah, it is. That honesty is refreshing, but it does tell you this isn't plug and play yet. It needs some technical comfort, specifically with Docker.
Right, not a one-click install.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay.
But honestly, This is exactly where the opportunity is.
How so?
The people willing to figure this out now, while it's still a bit, tricky, they get a massive head start. I mean, honestly, the first time I set something like this up, I felt pretty overwhelmed. API keys, restarts.
Laugh softly. Sounds familiar.
Yeah, it felt like trying to hotwire a spaceship. I still sometimes double-check if I copied the right token.
Huh. Good to know.
But that frustration turns into real power. The setup checklist itself is pretty straightforward, conceptually.
Okay, what's on it?
You need the Claude desktop app. That's key. The web version won't work for this.
Got it. Desktop app.
Then Docker desktop. Think of Docker like a clean, separate box to run our toolkit server in. Doesn't mess with your computer.
Okay, keeps it contained.
Exactly. Then a Notion account free plan's fine. That's the AI's brain. It's memory.
Notion for memory. Makes sense.
And a Glif.app account. Also free is enough. That gives the AI its creative hands.
Glyph for creation. Got it.
Plan for maybe 30, 45 minutes for the initial setup. Need some patience.
Okay.
And just remember, keep Docker running in the background. You close it, Claude loses its tools.
Ah, good tip. Keep Docker running.
And inside Docker, you'll find the MCP Toolkit. That's the control panel where you turn on and manage all these AI tools.
Hub.
Yeah, the hub for its external hands and memory. Over 100 different tools available in there, actually.
So this initial hassle, the jankiness, is actually a hidden advantage then?
Yes, it offers a crucial head start before it becomes mainstream.
You called connecting Notion the single most powerful step. Why that one specifically? More than web search or even creating visuals? Is it just the personalization?
It's absolutely the personalization.
Yeah.
And grounding the AI in your world, this is where it gets a real memory.
Okay.
So connecting Notion starts with creating an integration. Think of it like giving your AI a special, secure pass.
An API key.
Exactly, an API key. It lets Notion and your AI toolkit talk securely, like trusted colleagues sharing notes.
Right.
You generate this key in Notion settings, then paste it into the MCP Toolkit config. We'll link a detailed guide in the show notes for the exact clicks. Now, here's the really crucial bit people miss. That key lets the AI exist in Notion's world, but you still need to invite it to see specific pages.
Ah, okay, so it doesn't automatically see everything.
No. You go to the Notion page or database you want it to access, and you explicitly share it with your Claude MCP agent.
Got it. Per page permission.
Yes, for every single page you want it to see. Then you connect the MCP Toolkit to Claude.
Okay.
And critical note, completely quit and restart your Claude desktop app every time you add or change a tool. It only checks for new tools on startup.
Restart Claude. Got it.
Then test it. Open new chat, ask Claude, what Notion pages do you have access to? It should pause, use the tool, and list them.
That makes sense. Why is it so vital to share those specific Notion pages?
The AI needs explicit permission to access each individual page.
Okay, Claude has a memory via Notion. Now, giving it creative abilities, how do we give it those hands?
That's where Glif comes in. So first, head over to Glif.app, set up a free account. Glif.app. Yeah. Explore the public workflows. You can remix them, basically copy and modify them. Start simple, like an image generator.
Remix an existing one. Okay.
Once you have a workflow you like, go into your Glif account settings, find API keys, generate a new one, copy it.
Another API key.
Yep, back in your MCP Toolkit config, find Glif, enable it, paste the key, save.
Enable, paste, save, same pattern.
Exactly.
And then quit and restart Claude desktop.
You got it. Every time. Then test again. Ask, what Glif workflows do I have access to? It should list yours.
And then try it out.
Yeah. Give it a command like, use my image generator Glif to create a thumbnail for a video about the future of AI.
And it should show images right in the chat.
Right in the chat.
Yeah.
It's honestly pretty magical the first time you see it work.
That sounds like a huge capability boost. What kind of creative tasks can Glif help the AI with?
Generating stunning graphics, thumbnails, and other visual content for you.
Tools connected, Claude sees your world via Notion, creates via Glif. Now it's time to build intelligent systems, right?
Yeah.
Moving beyond single commands.
This is where the real magic happens. The AI workflows, the AI CEO.
Okay, lead the way.
First, set up a dedicated content ideas database in Notion. Give it properties like title, hook, status, notes, platform, the usual suspects. And here's the absolute critical step for training your AI on your style.
Okay.
Populate this database with 5 to 10 examples of your best performing content, your best social posts, best email hooks, a paragraph that just nails your voice.
Give it concrete examples of good.
Exactly. Real-world examples of your authentic expression. Then you create your first complex workflow.
Okay.
Give Claude a multi-step command, force it to use multiple tools, like first, search the web for the latest iPhone news.
Step 1, research.
Second, look at my content ideas database in Notion, study the hook column to understand my style.
Step 2, analyze style.
Third, based on the news and my style, create 3 new, engaging post ideas.
Step 3, generate ideas.
Finally, add these 3 new ideas as new rows in my content ideas database, set status to draft.
Step 4, record results. Wow.
And you'll literally watch Claude think. You see it pick the search tool, then Notion to read, then Notion again to write. It's amazing. Autonomous action, visible.
That's incredible. And the AI CEO part.
Right. Take it up a level, use a Claude project. This is different from a regular chat. It has permanent instructions, memory, a defined role.
Okay, a dedicated space.
Call my AI content CEO or something. The most important part is writing clear instructions, the system prompt.
Basically, it's job description.
Exactly. Like, you are the AI CEO of my brand. Goal.
Yeah.
Help me create high-quality content in my style. Be proactive, strategic.
Find the role.
Define tool priorities. Notion first for knowledge, Glif second for visuals.
Got it.
Set up special commands, double brackets like this. Trigger a specific Glif workflow.
Shortcuts.
And rules of engagement. Add suggestions as comments in Notion. Don't overwrite. Confirm before deleting.
Clear boundaries.
This turns it from just a tool into a true executive assistant. It understands your intent, manages complex projects, externalizes your strategic thinking. Moment of wonder. Whoa. I mean, imagine scaling this system. If your AI CEO can handle one complex task like this, imagine it orchestrating hundreds, thousands, a billion queries maybe if you had the data. It's not just automation. It's like externalizing your intuition, your style. You're building a digital counterpart that learns you.
Wow.
Imagine prototyping complex projects in minutes, not days, because the AI just gets your unstated preferences.
That is a profound thought. So this AI CEO concept really allows for that sophisticated autonomous project management, almost like a faster you.
Yes, it understands your intent and manages complex multi-step projects. Sponsor.
So you've just taken a deep dive with us, moving from what were, isolated chatbots to potentially powerful custom AI agents that can genuinely help manage and amplify your digital life.
And it's worth just quickly reiterating those core ideas because they really are the foundation here.
Please do.
The key is that AI agents' ability to loop, to run multiple steps, use different tools, iterate until the goal is done.
That looping ability.
And connecting your personal tools, Notion for memory, Glif for creation, gives the AI actual practical hands and understanding of your world.
Makes it real.
Then, using those custom instructions in a Claude project lets you build and program your own AI CEO.
Right.
An executive capable of understanding your goals, managing complex workflows, all in your unique style. And the impact is real. Automated content creation, proactive research, intelligent data synthesis, visuals at scale, all tailored to you.
This really isn't just about learning a new AI trick, is it? It feels like understanding, maybe even building the future of how we'll work.
Before 99% of other people even grasp what's possible.
Right.
And the honest truth, is it worth that initial janky hassle?
What's the verdict?
Yes, absolutely yes. There's a great quote about this. Most of the use comes from doing things when they're janky and bad, understanding that it's not going to be janky and bad.
Embrace the early stage.
That initial setup. It's a small price for maybe a 6 to 12-month head start on the future of personal productivity.
Head start.
The individuals, the companies who figure this out first, they'll have a massive advantage. The future really belongs to people who understand how to direct AI agents with the right tools.
So the message is,
it's time to get your hands dirty.
considering everything we've explored today, what kind of AI intern or maybe AI CEO will you build first? What personal data, what workflows could you unlock to really transform things?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. We really hope you explore this and apply it.
Go build something incredible. Outtree music.